1,000 days in jail, no trial, no conviction. Journalist behind bars for doing his job. Rupesh Kumar Singh, a journalist from Jharkhand, has spent nearly 3 years in jail under the UAPA. His crime? Reporting on tribal issues, state excesses, and environmental destruction. This case is not just about one man, it's a litmus test for our democracy and the constitutional principle. Bail is the rule and the jail is the exception. But under UAPA, that principle flips. Now let's talk about UAPA, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967. Was originally passed to deal with successionist movements and ensure the unity and integrity of India. But over time, its scope expanded, especially after 2004 and 2008 amendments. Today, it's mainly used as an anti-terror law. Its objective is to prevent threats to India's sovereignty and security, ban unlawful or terrorist groups, and prosecute those involved in anti-national or terrorist acts. When we talk about the concerns and the criticisms around UAPA, first, its vague definition. Terms like unlawful activity or terrorist act are not clearly defined, leaving scope for interpretation and potential misuse. Second, denial of bail. This vagueness often leads to denial of bail, meaning individuals can be jailed for years without a trial or conviction. The court can deny bail if it believes the allegations are prima facie true. Unlike the other laws, the burden of proof falls on the accused, not the state, making bail under UAPA extremely difficult, even before trial. Third, conviction rate. Reports suggest that only less than 3% of UAPA cases end in conviction. Yet this process itself becomes a punishment with long detentions and legal battles. Fourth, misused against dissenters, including journalists, students, human rights defenders, and the activists. And the investigation agency can detain an accused for up to 180 days without filing a charge sheet, which is 3 times longer than in regular criminal laws, raising fears that it is being used more to suppress criticism than to combat terrorism. Finally, judicial delays make matters worse. Bail hearings take months and the trials stretch on for years, just for doing their job. Now tell me, under which section of the UAPA can bail be denied if the court finds the charges prima facie true?